Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use ashwagandha powder. Ashwagandha is a powerful adaptogenic herb known for its numerous health benefits. It's often used to help the body manage stress, improve sleep quality, and boost overall well-being. Using it in powder form makes it incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into your daily routine. We'll cover simple methods to get the most out of this beneficial supplement. One of the easiest ways to take ashwagandha powder is by simply mixing it with a liquid. You can start with about 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of the powder. Stir it thoroughly into a glass of water, milk, or even your morning smoothie. For those who find the taste a bit strong, adding a spoonful of honey can make it much more palatable and enjoyable. Consistency is key for best results. Determining the best time and dosage can enhance ashwagandha's effectiveness. Many people prefer taking it once in the morning to kickstart their day or before bed to aid relaxation and sleep. A common dosage is around 300 to 500 milligrams, taken 1 or 2 times daily. Always listen to your body and consult a healthcare professional if you have specific concerns or conditions. To truly maximize the benefits of ashwagandha, consistency is paramount. Make it a regular part of your daily wellness routine. Remember, it works best when combined with a healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet and regular physical activity. Also, if you're looking for ways to improve your financial well-being, check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals. Your journey to better health and wealth starts now.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.